See, I'll open this. See, here issue type is a JP, Scrum issue type schemes, JP and screens JP. Only these three will be created for each issue. Each project it will be create a new one. But coming to this field configuration, see here, system field configuration scheme, default priority schemes, and here default software scheme, default notification scheme. So this is associated to all projects. Okay, by default, when new project is created, these default schemes only will be automatically assigned to that particular project. So if you go down, so we have these options like last permissions. Okay, we'll discuss these permission schemes now. And can you see here? So I have a default software scheme which is assigned to bench projects, demo, JP, and Maruti. So to four projects, it is assigned to only one permission scheme. Can you open this? I'll open this permission schemes. I'll open this permission schemes. So this is the permissions we have now. Okay. So we have first these options like we'll see here what permissions we have. Administrator projects. Administrator projects means if you are added any persons here, if you are granted access to any group or any role, any persons, the person will get project administrator access. So project administrator means the project manager can able to access this project setting button and he can able to see this project configurations. And so next option, the browse project. Who needs to access these projects? By default, here I have a any logged in users. And next, edit sprint. This will be comes to next Scrum projects level. And next, manage sprint. It will become there. So this is all. It will becomes to next projects from edit sprint to here. And assignable users. Assignable user means user with this permission may be assigned to issues. Mean suppose I'm the manager, so you are all the peoples are teams. I need to add your all name into this place, then only I can able to assign the tickets to you. And assign issues permission means ability to assign issues to other peoples. Like this assign issues place, my name should be there because of this is assign issue permissions. First one is a assignable issues permission. And next, close issue, create issue. Who needs to create issues? Who needs to delete issues? Edit issues, link issues, move issues, resolve issues, schedule time and transition issues, manage watches, view vote watches. So this is all permissions we have to maintain by user level, by groups level. Suppose here, can you see any logged in user? Okay. So first, I'll do one thing to access project. I'll open with any one name. So let's see, user management. Use the name here. So Bharat, I'll open his Bharat name. So, okay, guys, see, when I open some I logged into Bharat. So if I go to projects, view all projects, so you can able to see all projects. Four projects I have in my Jira instant, and four projects you can able to see it. But normally this is not way to access all projects any users because of my permission scheme associated to four projects. Okay, and in that four projects, okay, this schemes is assigned to four, and this is the like access to any logged in user. Suppose I'll remove this option, any application access. Oh, we can't do that. Okay, edit, and I'll open single users. Only admin I'll provide it, and I'll remove any logged in users. Okay, now based on these permission schemes, browse project access, see ability to browse project and issues within them. Okay, so who are having access this browse project? The only single user admin. So remaining peoples cannot able to see projects. If you see here now, I'll replace this Bharat. They cannot able to see projects. Like you are not allowed to browse any projects. So because of these permission schemes, like your only admin person can able to access it. Suppose I'll edit here, I'll provide a access to user access, like I'll enter Bharat, grant. So I'll refresh this. See, four projects you can able to see it, but how can we restrict only to provide one projects? Okay, so the thing is, like if you want to maintain single projects, we need to create a separate permission schemes for each projects. Suppose if you have a 200 projects, you need to create a 200 projects, and you need to provide access to all people, all persons. So but so here can you see below we have a lots of permission scheme. Each and every persons I cannot able to add it here because of this is a lots of work. So suppose in my projects maybe 100 people are working. I see I need to add that 100 persons here browse projects. I need to add that 100 persons to here and these places, and each and every places I need to add all peoples. And suppose this one person is left the organizations, I need to delete the persons all places, and for new persons I need to add into same place again and same groups. I mean these all places I need to add it. So instead of that, like can I do this edit options, like can I can I give access to groups? So we have a group level permissions as well. Are you sure you have that open? Yeah, so group, so I can able to give my group peoples like who are like software users and site admins, like all persons I can able to give it. Suppose I'll give Jira software users, this is also any logged in users. I'll remove these persons, single users. Now this software users group, this Bharat also is there. So I'll if I refresh this, but four projects can able to see it. And this below permissions as well. So any person, all logged in persons having. So what I do is I'll remove this all. No. Mm, wait. Permission schemes. I'll create new permission schemes. Add permission schemes. When you add a new permission schemes, I'll add some standard permission schemes. Then add. So if you open this, you can able to see all is empty. If you assign these schemes to one any particular projects or something, these persons can able to, this person cannot able to access anything because of there is no permissions anything. So I'll add some permissions here. Wait. In a browse projects place group, I'll add Jira software, then grant. Okay, this I will associate it to all projects. Open projects, go to projects, use different schemes and select standard one and associate it. One second. So this is the permission. So this permission schemes now associated to one project, which is one project is a JP project. Suppose if I go here, this JP Morgan permission scheme is different. If I open this, if Bharat is open this only software group and software in the software group is Bharat is there. So Bharat can able to access it. But can you see if I try to create any issue, JP project is not coming because of this project is working based on this like a standard permission scheme. In that standard permission schemes, these create issue places, create issue person, there is no persons be selected here. So no one can able to create a ticket in these projects. Okay, so which permissions is having that users can able to access it. But now I'm creating JP for one standard one. So another project I need to create one. So suppose is a bench perspective, I need to create a new one, or else merge the projects purpose, I need to create a new one. So each times I need to create a new permission scheme for all projects. Instead of that, do we have a options to maintain single permission scheme to maintain projects level accesses? Okay, yes, we have that. So what is that? If you edit this, browse projects, instead of this all, we have a option like project roles. And what is this project's roles? Okay, so for this, you can go to first of all is the backend, go to admin console, open a system. Once you click on systems, we have here project roles. Okay, so click on this project roles. And by default I have here two project roles, which is administrators and which is a developer. So two I have. Okay, so I'll add it one more extra, so I'll add it users, description no, and add a project role. So I have administrator, developer and users. Okay, so if you come here, if you open edit, and I'll open project roles, instead of administrator I'll select users. Suppose group I'll delete it, yeah. And project administrator I'll open like project role administrator, I'll open yes. Now the browse projects permission, the browse projects users project role users person only can able to access it. Okay, so see how it works. If I open refresh, so JP project, I'm not able to see it. So I'll assign these standard schemes to all projects. And instead of JP, the next is Maruti. I'll open project schemes. Instead of default and open projects, use different and stand. Next, JP is done. Suppose bench. See, can you see these permission schemes? Users, project browsers, and we have a users and project administrator like administrator. If you refresh these persons now, Bharat, it cannot able to see all. And as a Jira administrator, I cannot able to see this create button now. Can you see? And if I go to projects, there is no projects. View all project option also is not coming. If I click on software, there is no projects. I'm not able to access as a Jira administrator also cannot able to access projects. So because of this permission schemes, browse projects only users can able to access it. Okay. So first of all, to access these projects, I need to access to add these project roles. I need that project role first, but still I'm not able to access it. So how can I manage that? Bench. See, in the project backend, we have your roles options. This is the related to projects only. Okay. So this permission scheme, permissions having browse project permission, project role users only. So what is this project roles? I'll open this project roles, view project roles. Here, this is the project role, users and roles, and by default, Jira administrator is the administrator roles have. And here, add a user role. So here we can able to give permissions to user level and groups level. So first I'll give to admin. Okay. Next project roles, I'll add it to administrator, developer or users. If I add the persons into developer project roles, he can able to access project administrator and project roles. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll do it users add. Now Nagaraju is a user role. What is this permissions? Who are having in the this user, he can able to browse project. So now if I refresh this, see, Nagaraj can able to bench project only, but Bharat still cannot able to see any projects. So if I provide a like this is JP projects. In a JP projects, I will add Bharat users, Bharat user, click on it. Now is a Nagaraj accessing bench projects. Now Bharat can able to access JP projects because of this permission scheme working based on project rules, that each project roles is different. So this JP project roles is different and bench project roles is different. If I add any persons into bench project roles, based on that permission schemes level, the person can able to access that projects only. Can you see here, browse project? These permission schemes assigned to 4 project. But in that 4 project, I'm assigned to project roles level, and this 4 project roles is different and bench project roles is different, a demo is different, JP is different, Maruti is different. So if I add any persons into bench project roles in a user, the person can able to access only bench project only. Okay. So with help of this level, like if I provide a user here, if I added a user, that user can able to access 4 projects. And suppose if I added any group here, that group peoples can able to access 4 projects. Okay, but what we need to do separately, so how we need to maintain separately. So only we have the options like to maintain different scheme for each project. Suppose if you have a 4 project, you can able to maintain it, but if you have a 300 400 projects, we cannot create every time to new permission schemes. So instead of that, we can able to use one permission scheme for all projects, and we can able to manage users based on these project rules. Because of if I added any user here, that user, the if the user is not related to any projects, he can able to work on globally. Suppose any group also. If I add any group here, that is not linked with any projects. Okay, that group will be work globally. So the group is not linking to any particular projects. So only the project role only link with projects, and each project roles are different. So we can able to maintain like this. So I'll show you the exact look and feel how it is in organization level, and I'll grant permissions. I'll open this add comment, assign issues, close issue permission. I'll select all label issues, close issues, assign issues, and delete issues. That's all. Okay. So all places, projects role, I'll select first users. I'll selected all permissions, then projects roles administrator. I had it. See, now this complete permission schemes, how it looks is the administrator, project administrators, only administrator. And if I add an administrator, he can able to get it all options. Okay. So if I add any persons into browse projects, in the browse projects level, suppose if I added any persons into project role users, that user can able to access all only except projects administrator. So now, can you see now, this is the administrator projects. So in administrator projects, I'm able to see all projects, and Bharat can able to see only JP projects. Because of these Jira administrators, see, if you open bench projects or role, project roles, here Jira projects is having like administrator, and an administrator place Jira administrator group is there. So this Nagaraju is a group person in a group of the Jira administrator. So administrator, he can able to access all. Now it is a JP projects. So persons, this is the Bharat account. Bharat having only JP. If I provide a access, this is the JP projects. If I remove these persons from here, it cannot able to see any projects. See here. And if I want to provide any project, suppose I'll provide more the projects access to that person. Just open this. Now, what is this permission schemes? Can you see here first permission scheme? So if I add the persons into administrator, he can able to access all. If I add the persons into users, he cannot able to access project administrator. Remaining all, he can able to get it. So based on that, I will open these projects. This JP project, this is Maruti project. In the Maruti project, project rules. I'll open view project rules. Okay. I'll add a group of the person Bharat. Bharat, I'll provide first user access. Add. Okay. Can you refresh it? See, Bharat can able to see access only Maruti project, but this permission scheme assigned to 4 projects. But why Bharat can able to see 1 project? Because of the permission scheme working based on project roles. So each project role is different. Okay, so this is browse project is project roles. So I need to open project roles, and this is this is Maruti project role. I'll add it to here only. But if I open some different projects, suppose JP project, that Bharat is not in these project roles. This is JP project roles. See here, Bharat is not here. So Bharat cannot able to access JP projects. Only Bharat is member of member of only Maruti project. So he can able to access. So if I click on Maruti projects, he can able to see all issues here. So he can able to issues, and he can able to edit it, and he can able to delete transition issues, and anything he can able to work on it. But Bharat cannot able to see this project settings sheet left side down. He cannot able to see project settings. Why? This project settings only can able to see project administrator. So Bharat is not a project administrator, he is the user. So I'll add it in administrator. Now Bharat is the administrator. Can you refresh this now? See, Bharat can able to see project setting now. See, project setting he can able to see it because of Bharat is in this project role. Bharat is added a administrator group. So administrator, this administrator group is only administrator project, ability to administrator a project in Jira. So administrators only can able to access this project settings button. So he can able to see this all, but he cannot able to do anything here. So these project administrators, this is project managers. If I open like any suppose permission schemes only, so I'll open this, but I'm not able to see any action here. But as a Jira administrator, I can able to see if I open any project roles, so I can able to see this helper and action or something. But project administrator can